The way I think controls my life. It cuts much deeper than a surgeon's knife. Love is so real, you can taste and touch steel. You know what you feel. Yes, life too is real. My heart surely beats, and my pulse often quickens as I run through the night. Fears sometimes beckon, yet I keep moving on, for I know what I am, a creature of God who is spawned from man. Now time never stops, nor shall it ever return, so I look ahead, and I watch, and I yearn, and with love and compassion, I see myself grow, and though time moves on, I know that I know. What magic in the darkness among the treasures in our minds. What fortunes and what blessings can we find of the power and enlightenment that here to and do dwell? Can we find our true fulfillment and escape this earthbound hell? Rules and regulations, which everyone must know. They don't do much for you. They don't help you grow. You say, I must listen, that they're good for me. I tell you they're not. I want to be good. I see your well-meaning, but you can't see. But the 10 that God gave us are good enough for me. Now I respect your right to live your own life. So stop cutting me down with your dull-edged knife. I too want to live my own life. So let me be. I say that I will. Yes, I must. Each time you pass the threshold, it's for sure there'll be some pain, and your tears might fall like a murky rain. But stop, look around, see what you can find. Try to keep the good things in the forefront.